Have you ever imagined living inside a van that's smaller than most cars, but still has everything you need like a tiny home? Well, today we're looking at something amazing from Japan. This is a Japanese Kei Camper, and it might be one of the smallest motorhomes in the world. From the outside, it looks like a simple compact van, nothing too special. But once you open the door and step inside, the story completely changes. Inside this tiny camper, every inch of space is used very smartly. Japanese designers are famous for making small spaces incredibly functional, and this camper is a perfect example of that. First, let's talk about the sleeping area. Even though the van is very small, it can actually sleep up to 4 people. The seats and benches inside can be converted into comfortable beds. So at night, the living space easily transforms into a sleeping area. Now imagine going on a road trip with your family, parking near a beach or in the mountains, and sleeping comfortably inside this tiny mobile home. Next, we have the kitchen area. Yes, even in such a small vehicle, there is space for a compact kitchen setup. Some versions include a small cooking stove, storage cabinets, and sometimes even a tiny sink. This allows you to prepare simple meals while traveling. Another impressive feature is storage. At first glance, it might look like there's no room for luggage or supplies. But once you start opening the cabinets and compartments, you realize there are smart storage spaces hidden everywhere. You can store clothes, camping gear, food, and travel essentials without making the camper feel crowded. Now, let's talk about comfort. Many of these Kei campers come with air conditioning, which is very important during hot summer trips. Some models also include solar panels on the roof. This means you can generate electricity while traveling and even stay off-grid for longer adventures without worrying too much about power. The camper is built on a Japanese Kei truck or van chassis. Kei vehicles are designed to be small, lightweight, and fuel efficient. Because of this, they are perfect for narrow streets and tight parking spaces in Japan. But this also makes them great for travelers who want a compact and easy-to-drive motorhome. One of the most surprising things about this tiny camper is the price. Compared to large motorhomes that can cost over $100,000, this compact Japanese camper costs around $30,000. That means you get a tiny home on wheels for a fraction of the price of traditional RVs. Of course, the space is limited, and it's not meant for luxury living. But for travelers, campers, and people who love road trips, this little vehicle offers freedom and adventure. Just imagine waking up in a different place every morning, surrounded by nature, with your home right behind the driver's seat. So the big question is, would you live in a tiny camper like this and travel the world? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy unique vehicles and tiny homes like this, make sure to subscribe for more amazing tours and travel vehicles.